In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix, step by step for beginners. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all the tools appear on the left and top bars. When you're in, look for the Pages panel or the menu area that's highlighted in your interface and click it to open your site's pages. From there, choose Add Page. You'll see different page types you can add. Select Blog. This tells Wix you want the built-in blogging features, and it will prepare the necessary pages and layouts for you. Next, click Add Wix Blog to install the Wix blog to your site. This adds a blog page, individual post pages, and a management area. If a setup prompt or highlighted tip appears afterward, follow it to continue back to the editor. Now, open the blog panel again by clicking Blog where it's indicated in the editor. This opens your blog tools. Choose Manage Posts to go to the Blog Manager. This is your hub for drafts, scheduled posts, and published content. Click Create New Post. A post editor opens with a title field at the top and the content area below. Click in the highlighted title field and type your post title. Keep it clear and searchable so readers and search engines know what your post covers. Then click into the main content area and start writing. You can format text, add images or videos, and break up long sections with headings to keep it readable. If you need a nudge, click Content AI to generate ideas, outlines, or copy suggestions. Use it to brainstorm, then review and personalize the text so it matches your voice. When your post looks good, click Publish in the post editor. If a confirmation appears with a highlighted button, click it to finalize. If your overall site hasn't been published yet, you'll see a prompt to publish the site as well. Click Publish again to push your site live so visitors can see the new blog page and your post. After publishing, you should see a congratulations screen confirming everything went through successfully. Finally, click View Site to open your live website in a new tab and check your blog. Read your post on desktop and mobile views to make sure the formatting, images, and links look right. Quick tip: for future posts, you can save drafts, schedule publishing times, and add cover images and excerpts for a polished look in your blog feed and on social platforms. That's it. You've added Wix Blog